Good morning, YouTube. Well, guess what? More rain. It rained all day yesterday and all night last night. And it snowed in the Bradshaws, and it snowed in Prescott, and it snowed in Flagstaff. Flagstaff got like 16 inches, Prescott got like 8, and we got 0. But it's still soggy everywhere. It's like a swamp everywhere you go, and so it's muddy and cold and a little bit of a breeze to make it a little bit colder. So we're back in the shop again. So we're going to do a little pour today, and what I'm going to do is do a remelt of some aluminum I've already poured once before, and see if we can't make a shiny bar out of it. We might give that a try today and see, just so you got something to watch. And obviously it isn't going to be prospecting for a while, because as soon as that starts to melt out there, it's going to be flooding in the Bradshaws, so it might be a while before we get there. So anyhow, stay tuned, it's going to be good. Alright guys, there's 24 ounces of aluminum right here. These are the puck kind that I've melted before, and these are just triangular bars. And we'll see what it'll do with that. Temperature will be a lot less. I believe aluminum is 660 degrees for Celsius to melt point. So we're going to give this a go and see what happens. Be back. Alright guys, here's the foothills. This is as close to the snow as we could get right there. But if you look over there in that saddle, right behind it is the Bradshaws. And that's a lot of snow up there. And we're supposed to get more, so it's going to have some water up there running. Maybe a good flood to move some gold around. Alright, be back. Alright guys, we're going to give this a go this morning. Okay, we're also running. Let's get a little bit higher. Okay, we're 15 psi. We'll let that crucible cook for a while. Give it about 5 minutes or so. Make sure there's no moisture in it. Then we'll throw the aluminum in, get to melting. Let's see, I didn't show you this, so I don't know if you're interested in it or not, but you look right there. That's my 3M respirator with brand new charcoal filters and brand new fiber filters on the outside of it. So it'll be easy breathing today. Not easy talking, but easy breathing. Be back. Alright guys, we're just about ready to put some aluminum in there. You can see here, she's nice and red. Get a little bit closer in maybe. Maybe you can see that a little bit better. There you go. So that's the Foundry. I've got the apron on. I don't have any gloves or respirator yet. I don't have any metal in there, so we're going to put some metal in. Hopefully this will melt pretty easy. I just moved up to 20%. So we're going to give this puppy a go. I need about 660, I'm pretty sure. It's about 22.5 psi. I love the 20 smell aluminum. Teal, so we'll watch that for a while. And I'll put my respirator on here in a minute. We'll be ready to go. Alright guys, I'm going to take a little dross out of that. We'll see how we're doing. I know we're liquid in here now. So see how liquid we are. Dross out and we'll be ready to pour. So we'll start preheating these molds. Might be a little early to do this. Maybe I'll do it. I think I'll do that after the preheat now. Change my mind. That's it for a while. Can't see those in there, but that doesn't mean anything, so. Alright, be back. Alright guys, I preheated the fire brick. So now, check these. And about 255. About 260 on that one. So, pick those up, put them on the fire brick. Take the dross out of that. Good to go. Hot metal there. Come on, sweetie. Get this third one in, but we're going to give her a go. And it's not preheated, so who knows what'll happen. There we go. There's 3 little bars. Success! That's just pretty good. Everything is hot. Got the dross off the top, and look at this 3rd bar. How shiny that is compared to these 2. Don't know why that is, other than it was farther down in the mold. In the crucible, I'm sorry. I'll get some water and we'll cool them off. Do a little cleanup, see if we can't get a shiny bar this time. All right, there's our trusty can of water. So we'll try to get these bars out of there and into it. We'll do the big guy first. This is a whole set of tongs. There goes one. Here's the little one. And here's the giant economy size. Alrighty. So that's all 3. That was a really good pour, really fast. I think melt time was like 10 minutes. And it was just done. The aluminum went so quick. You know, we still got the dregs in here, but I think maybe that'll, when that cools, that'll pull out. Okay, so that being the case, I'll get that out of there and try to clean up maybe that small bar first, but you can see by the steam coming off that can, that water's really hot now, so give me a minute, I'll be back. Guys, here we are, 1 pound 5 ounces. So I lost a little, but I think I lost it here and with the dross that's laying over there on that brick when I skimmed the top. But this one I tried buffing out a little bit. This bar and this bar are just wire wheeled. Let me see if I can get a little closer maybe. But the one in the middle is also wire wheeled, but in here, this top is just like a piece of glass now. But with that there, you know, it's no good. But so these are polishable. I don't know that I'll spend the time to do it though. So anyhow, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, give it a great comment, come back again. And thanks again guys for watching. Some of these are not the best videos in the world, but you know, it keeps you off the streets. Thanks so much for watching.